नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल बटन को रिंग करिए जिससे कि आपको हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के बारे में पता चले। और कमेंट करिए कि आपको कौन सी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही है, आप क्या सोचते हैं हमारी वीडियोस के बारे में और आप क्या चाहते हैं कि हम बनाएं। Do subscribe to our channel, ring the bell button, and don't forget to comment so that we know what are you liking and what are you not liking. Today what we are going to talk about is a very well known topic and we have already spoken many times about it, and that is Kegels exercise. So we have the videos about how to do Kegels in pregnancy, how should men do Kegels, how should women do Kegel. All that we have already spoken about. I will put the link in the description box, so go to the description box and see. Today we are going to talk about that what is the correct time to do Kegels. कौन से समय में हमें कीगल एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए, ओके? बट बिफोर आई डू दैट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 98% व्यूअर्स हमारा देख रहे हैं और सिर्फ 2% सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ 2%। डोंट डू लाइक दिस, नो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर, नीचे नीचे सब्सक्राइब, ओके? सो व्हाट इज द गुड टाइम टू डू कीगल्स? इज इट एट द एंड ऑफ द नाइट? रात को सोने से पहले हमें कीगल्स करना चाहिए? तो मेरा आंसर है नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि you are already tired in the night. The muscles are also tired in the night. So night is not a good time. When you're going to sleep, maybe do some stretches, but not Kegels. Kegels is not something which you want to do. So I would say that good rested muscles are best to do exercise. So early in the morning, even before you get up from the bed, while lying down itself, you can do some counts of Kegels, okay? Before you get up from the bed, because at that point of time muscles are not tired, so you can even do 20-25 counts of Kegels and you'll be able to hold better. You'll be able to, so I hope you remember, breathe out, you contract, breathe in, you relax, breathe out, contract, breathe in, relax. So for everybody, whether you are a man or a woman, morning is the best time to do Kegels. Second, which is the best time to do Kegels, is when you are not walking around, or like for example many women ask, हम किचन में खाना बना रहे हैं, हम कीगल्स कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज आपका ध्यान खाना बनाने में है. सो इफ यू आर वॉकिंग अराउंड, दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू कीगल. बट इफ यू आर माइंडफुल, अभी राइट नाउ आई एम माइंडफुल, यू शुड ऑलवेज डू Kegels when you're mindful, like your whole attention is towards the pelvic floor muscles. Standing is also a very good position to do Kegel because gravity is working against. Standing में आप आराम से Kegels कर सकते हैं, पर mindful होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आप खड़े होके करिए Kegels, but your whole attention there. तो आप basically 10 to 20 Kegels खत्म करिए और फिर आप खाना बनाइए. So you can do after that, but not while doing the activity, because you will lose count of, you will lose completely that how many counts has happened or how much I am holding, whether I am improving. So वो सब दिमाग से निकल जाएगा. इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप mindful होके. So first is morning, second is when you are mindful. It can be in standing also. Third is when you are working out. So for example, if you already have 1 hour in which you work out, and today is your back workout and you are already doing bridges, then along with the bridges you can actually do Kegels, or along with the core contraction you can actually do Kegels. So when you are already exercising, you can always combine Kegel. So again I will repeat, कौन से 3 समय में करना चाहिए? एक, जब मसल पूरी रेस्टेड हो, दैट इज अर्ली मॉर्निंग. अगर आप मान लीजिए सुबह काम करते हैं, मतलब आप वो नाइट काम करते हैं और सुबह सोते हैं, तो आप काम शुरू करने से पहले बेसिकली वेन एवर द मसल इज वेल रेस्टेड, प्रिफरेबली अर्ली मॉर्निंग बिफोर गेटिंग अप फ्रॉम द बेड. सेकेंड इज इट कैन बी इन द स्टैंडिंग बट माइंडफुल, जब आपका पूरा अटेंशन वहाँ हो तब. थर्ड इज when you are actually giving your 100% in an exercise and you're combining both the exercise together. For example, bridges with Kegels or core with Kegels, you can do that. Okay, so make sure that you do Kegels every day. Even if you don't have incontinence or anything, Kegels is a very good exercise. But if you have tight pelvic floor muscles, then you should not be doing Kegels. But if you are already doing, these are the 3 best time you should do. Please, again I'm telling, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share, because it's a very important video. Everybody should know about it, because they should know that this exercise is effective only if done during this time. Okay, so subscribe and share and like and subscribe करो, बस यही बोलना है. Okay, witness your fitness with us.